Decaf 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies. And we got this shocked crypto alien to put together. So let's see if we can do this. Get some glue here. We're using Weld-On 16. And it's going to be difficult to do this. Might have to use putty. I don't know, let's see. It goes like that, I guess. Got his shoes here. They don't fit too well. Let's see. That one doesn't fit there. That doesn't fit there very well. Hmm. Hmm. This is interesting. I don't know. Supposed to fit in there. This is the right and this is the left. Let me take a break here, okay, guys? We're gonna put the camera back on here, and they snap in here pretty tight. Okay, the feet, you might have to adjust them, and I also filed them a little bit, just a little bit. Just like that. So let's see how this goes. That's gonna fit on there good. It's a little bit out of a portion. Deportion. It's out of proportions. I'm not saying that too right either. Not proportionate. You gotta hold it together like this with this glue. Takes a few seconds to do that. You got to be careful when you're doing this lightsaber up here at the top, because there's some thin pieces when it prints, and when you take it apart, you have to be careful that you don't break them off. If you break them off, you got to glue them back on. Other than that, so it's an okay model. I'd give it about an 8 in the print. This is a fast set glue, so I do hold it on there longer than I should, but only because I don't want it to fall off. And sometimes you get stringing. So I think we got that piece on there like that. See what I mean? Really gotta hold it together. This is the King Rune filament we used to make this. I'm not too fond of it, to tell you the truth. The King Rune, it's okay. Uh, it has snagging issues as far as the roll. It's not wound very well. Um, it has what do you call it? I don't know. I just don't really like it. I'm going to stick to Elegoo from now on. Elegoo is pretty good for a filament. These off brands that are multicolors, you have problems with them. You know, like the glow in the dark, you'll have problems with the nozzle. So that's on there pretty good. Let's see if we can get the head on. This is definitely going to need a pedestal to sit it on. It's not going to stand up on its own. It should come with a pedestal. I don't know. Maybe that's in the file, but I didn't see it. I don't know if you can see this or not. Put it up there like that. We're going to fill in some, we're going to put in extra glue around the neck area of it. Once we get a good firm contact. It's a neat little model. It's just that it doesn't want to glue itself together. I know this is a long video because of the drying process, but I really want to show you. Let me see. I want to show you it all together. Yeah, I'm not liking it's not liking this at all. There's a above view of what he looks like, and I put him to the side for it to dry. Okay, but he's pretty cool looking. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.